Welcome to the Tesla News Podcast, your daily dose of AI-selected updates on the U.S. carmaker. Tesla Model S and Model X win Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value Award. Tesla's Model S and Model X electric vehicles have won the Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value Award for their respective segments. KBB recognized 28 vehicles for their projected retained value through the initial 5-year ownership period. The Chevy Bolt, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Ford F-150 Lightning were also among the electric vehicle winners in their respective segments. Toyota and Lexus were awarded the Best Resale Value brands for 2023, winning many segments. Despite demand, the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y were not in the rankings, and vehicles like the Rivian R1T, R1S, Hyundai Ioniq 5, or Kia EV6 were not in the KBB list. Experts believe that EVs will eventually be recognized as better resale value vehicles than gas cars. Tesla reduces Model S and Model X prices. Tesla has reduced the prices of its Model S and Model X electric vehicles in the United States. The Model S now starts at $89,990, down 5.3%, while the Model X starts at $99,990, down 9.1%. The higher performance versions of each vehicle are also cheaper by 4.3% to 8.3%. Plaid iterations of the S and X now cost $26,000 and $29,000 less, respectively, than they did in early January. Tesla's dynamic pricing model is unique in the automotive industry, which typically adjusts prices only on a model-by-model basis year on year. The price reduction aligns with the company's emphasis on squeezing expenses out of designing, engineering, and manufacturing vehicles to increase demand. The Model S and X represented a little over 5% of Tesla's vehicle deliveries last year, so the changes would likely have a smaller impact on the company's bottom line than changing the cost of higher-volume vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y. Ferrari named preferred automotive stock over Tesla by Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas. Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas has named Ferrari as his preferred automotive stock over Tesla. Jonas explained that Ferrari's stability, strong fundamentals, and plans to diversify into electric vehicles, EVs, make it a good investment option in uncertain times. He also pointed out that Ferrari has the ability to grow or serve as downside protection within a wide range of macro outcomes. Furthermore, its plans to produce EVs will meet the current demand for its gas-powered options. Tesla has been known for its tremendous growth. However, Ferrari's stock has increased by almost 118% in the past 5 years, making it a safer investment choice. Tesla to build gigafactory in Mexico to produce new Tesla Model 2. Tesla has announced that it will build its 5th gigafactory in Mexico. The plant will be located in the state of Nuevo Leon, and it will produce a new access model called Tesla Model 2. This compact sedan will be designed to further increase the company's sales, and the plant's operation will create about 35,000 jobs in the region. Tesla plans to invest $5 billion in the first phase of the project, which includes operationalizing a lithium deposit in Sonora, mining the resource and extracting lithium for the production of batteries at the facility. Although there are no specific dates on operation start, Tesla aims to achieve this by mid-2024. This is an exciting development for Tesla, as it seeks to expand into the Mexican market and take advantage of the local lithium deposit to build its batteries. Tesla's new lithium plant in South Texas to support battery materials processing, refining and manufacturing in North America. Tesla has started the construction of a lithium plant in South Texas, close to Robstown in Nueces County, which will be the first of its kind in North America. At Tesla's Investor Day on March 1st, executives announced the construction of the battery-grade lithium hydroxide refining facility. It will support other types of battery material processing and refining as well as manufacturing and ancillary manufacturing services in line with Tesla's product offerings. The new plant is located about 200 miles from Tesla's headquarters in Austin. Tesla says the new facility will play a significant role in achieving its sustainability goals as the lithium hydroxide refined on the site will be mined using renewable energy sources to fully optimize the production process, minimize the facility's carbon footprint and reduce the overall environmental impact of Tesla's operations. Tesla reduces prices for Model S and Model X. Tesla has decreased the prices of its Model S and Model X vehicles by $5,000 and $10,000, respectively. The starting price for the Model S is now $91,380, while the Model X begins at $101,380. The Plaid models of the Model S and Model X have also had their prices slashed to $111,380 each. These price cuts come just days after CEO Elon Musk credited previous discounts for increasing demand. Although the starting prices are still higher than they were 2 years ago, Tesla could see a surge in sales as a result of these cuts. Competitors like Ford, who responded with Mustang Mach-E price cuts after Tesla's January discounts, may also be forced to lower prices to compete. Tesla maintains top spot as largest EV company. As of 2022, Tesla remains the largest electric vehicle company, having sold almost 1.3 million units. This marks a 40% increase from the previous year. BYD comes in second place with approximately 900,000 sales. With these impressive sales figures, it appears Tesla's decision to reduce prices could be a strategic move to maintain its top spot in the EV market. This is all for today. Tune in tomorrow for more updates and don't forget to like and subscribe. Although hopefully of informative value, the purpose of this video is entertainment and not any kind of advice, especially not investment advice. The content is AI generated.